Hello everyone again. In today's menu we have nice tasty pasta, shrimp pasta, and we also need some lemon, red chilli, garlic, fresh basil and onion, and a little bit of olive oil. Let's heat up the pan and give some oil to it. Chop our onions. First we're gonna fry these onions a bit. Then chop our chili. Also a little red chili there to give some hotness. If you don't like chili, you can leave it out of this pasta. And then we will put some garlic. You don't have to use high heat. I have like 6 levels and I'm using level 3 now, so it's quite mild. Not too hot. Like this, and into the pan. Okay, then we add our shrimps here. And this is pretty quick pasta. And then seasoning, we use salt. And of course black pepper, that is my favorite. Lots of it. Then some herbs, dried oregano. Lots of it. But I think these start to seem like ready, and our pasta is ready. So now we add some more oil. You don't have to use this much oil, but because we don't have any cream in this pasta, we will make that juiciness with much of that oil. Then we throw some fresh basil here. Don't worry, we won't use all of the basil at this point. We leave some to the end so it stays super fresh, but this amount of fresh basil here gives just the good flavors to this pasta. Then we will add our pasta. Like this. But if you want really good garlic flavors, then just put more garlic to this. Then we squeeze a little bit of lemon juice here. It gives us a nice freshness. And that's about it. We put it on the plate, all of it. As you see, this is pretty quick, pretty easy, but super delicious pasta. Then we will add some parmigiano-reggiano and some fresh basil on top. So, there we have it. Delicious shrimp pasta. Super tasty. Maybe something that you should put more is that garlic. But this is definitely good, like this. Yeah, this was a really fast and simple pasta recipe with shrimps, basil, chili, fresh lemon, fresh basil, onion, garlic, salt, black pepper, oregano. So go and try it, make it yourself and enjoy these flavors. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.